Yeah. this is not the end crochet, and I had to redo this part of the video because I took something back. I took Ree Drummond's crochet hooks back. I like her, but I don't want to pay $8 and some odd cents for one crochet hook that I probably never use. So I took that back. And while I was there, I didn't look at nothing else, because if I look at something else, I'm going to buy more and more and more. So I just went back to get the one that I omitted on the video getting, and come right back out of there. So let's see what I got. And hopefully this will be it, because as I mentioned, I'm not familiar with 3-weight. So I just wanted to get enough to familiarize myself with it. So here we go. Okay, $9 sequins, 3.5 ounces, 295 yards, 3-weight, and it's a blend, acrylic and polyester. It's got the little sequins on it. I don't think that's enough to bother me. I hope not, because I think that is really, really pretty. Okay, got my battery situation straightened out, I hope. Yeah, try to hurry. I'm still trying to see that. And I don't know where my glasses are. They're somewhere on the project cart. Let's see. I'll figure it out. Very pretty. Another one of those. Oh, it's called Zen. I always forget the name. Add that. I assume all the ombre had the same amount of yardage. Well, now I can see it, 5.5. I'm used to something a little thicker. Might take that down in size. This is Cool Freud. I saw this as a cow. Very pretty cow. And then this one. It's Chai. Very pretty. Wow, that's pretty. I can't believe I hadn't bought these sooner. See what I got over here. Got another sequin. Look, come on. Trying to get away. Same specification as the other one. And this is called Sapphire. You know, if it was sapphire, it should have been blue. Little twinkles. That'd have been nice. But whatever. See, and this is the one that I put down and didn't get yesterday. And when I saw it, I had a fit. So, ooh, that's pretty. And it's $1 Baby. It's 100% acrylic. Now, this it's small too, but it's look more like a 4 than the others. Is it a 4? No, it's a 3. It says it's a 3. Okay, then. I got 2 of those. They are wrapped exactly the same. That's what I like about the cakes from Lion Brand. They're wrapped. If they're within that group or that name, they're all wrapped the same. I like that. And Echo Caves. And you know, I had to get lean down 2 of the big boys. On this bundle, 1,181 yards. It's big. It's a 3-weight. 5mm hook. Would I recommend? That's pretty. Like that. I get a couple more of those before it's over and done with, just to have them. Okay, squish down. And got another one. Same amount of yardage. Same specification. There's the colorway. And this one is called Bar. It's very pretty. They're wrapped really good. They're really tight. But then they're swirled. That's what I like about those. Nothing loose about them at all. Okay, so let's get over here for your picture. Okay. So that's my first. This one kind of put you in mind of that one. Okay, so there we have it. My Walmart line brand mandala haul. See, cat hair getting on there already. I'm gonna put them up in a minute. I need to redo my shelf again. One of these days I'll be satisfied with it. Let's see. Oh, very pretty. A lot of colors. Nice and vibrant. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you don't subscribe, please give me a like. Your feedback is important. You can leave a comment as long as you're respectful. I'll be respectful right back. If you do decide to subscribe, be sure and hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted of when I upload something new. You all keep sweet. God bless you. Hugs and peace out.